In this video, I'm going to be talking about making bleach. In the last video, I talked about how you can react halogens and cold aqueous dilute alkalis and produce some free products which usually occurs in a reaction which can be described as a disproportionation reaction. Now, there's a very important disproportionation reaction which occurs when chlorine gas reacts with sodium hydroxide. So the chlorine, Cl2, which is going to be in the gaseous form, so gas, is going to react with sodium hydroxide, which is going to be aqueous. And this can happen at room temperature. And this produces three products. So if you remember from the last video, the reaction which happened, those three different products in this similar form are produced. So sodium chlorate, so NaClO, and that's going to be aqueous, and it's going to produce NaCl as well, and that's going to be aqueous as well. And it produces H2O, which is going to be aqueous. Well, not aqueous. That would be silly to call that aqueous. Liquid, since that's what everything else is aqueous in. And yeah, if we take a look at the oxidation numbers here. So right here, chlorine, the oxidation number of chlorine is going to be 0. And then over here, since chlorine is less electronegative than oxygen, the regular oxidation number of combined oxygen is going to take priority. And so the oxidation number of chlorine is going to be +1. Since Na is going to be plus, and then the chlorine has to be plus to balance out the two minus. And in the NaCl, the oxidation number of chlorine is going to be -1 to balance out the +1 from the Na. And so we can see from this that this is a disproportionation reaction, because the chlorine has been oxidized to form, when it forms NaClO, because it's gone from 0 to +1, and it's been reduced to form NaCl since it's gone from 0 to -1. And this is a reaction which is often used to produce bleach, because this particular component here, NaClO, is sodium hypochlorite, as I said. No, not sodium hypochlorite. Oh yeah, you could call it sodium hypochlorite. There's two names for it. So there's sodium chlorate, and we need to say the oxidation number of the chlorate, because this could be 1, it could be 5. So we need to say that it's the oxidation number of the chlorate part. So that's the oxidation number of the chlorine in the ClO minus. And we could also call this, so we could call it sodium chlorate. We could also call it sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. And the hypochlorite part actually describes the fact that this the chlorine has an oxidation number of 1. So we don't need to say we don't need to have like an I with the oxidation number. We don't need that since we've said hypochlorite. And so yeah, those are the two names for this. And NaClO is used in bleach. So this is basically the main component, the active component of bleach. And so obviously bleach we can use like for cleaning toilets, and you know, we can use it to make paper really white, and yeah, textiles and all those different sort of things. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video, where I'll be talking about how chlorine can react with water to produce something which can help kill bacteria.